Running a social food business is complex. You're the chef, the manager, the visionary. But sourcing everything for your kitchen and dining space? That shouldn't be a full-time job. Meet INEO, your single-source solution. From heavy-duty stoves, refrigeration, and bespoke stainless steel, to bakery equipment, dishwashers, and all your dining furniture. We even supply the finishing touches, tiles, flooring, and HVAC systems. But we go beyond supply. Our team provides seamless design and local installation, making the process efficient and hassle-free from start to finish. So you can focus on what you do best, creating incredible food and experiences. Choose INEO, where complete solutions and reliable service come together. INEO, built for your success.